I am grateful for all of the money that is now flowing into my life. I use my increasing wealth to help others. I give generously and I receive graciously. Feeling gratitude for even the smallest of things brings me such tremendous joy. Several times a day, I stop whatever I am doing. I smile to myself and say thank you for my wonderful life. I welcome the endless flow of wealth into my life with gratitude. I see abundance and prosperity all around me. When I feel gratitude for what I have, I am a powerful magnet for what I want. I love using the law of attraction to sculpt my amazing life. I love thinking of amazing ways that I am able to enjoy and share my increasing wealth. I am so grateful for all of the incredible experiences that I am creating right now. I smile broadly to myself and a tingle rushes up my spine as luxurious feelings of abundance flow into my body and I sincerely say thank you.